Heading: Cache memory system. First point: cache memory is a small high-speed memory located between the CPU and main memory. Second point: it stores frequently used data and instructions to reduce memory access time. Third point: it improves overall system performance by reducing CPU waiting time. Draw diagram. Side heading: cache memory organization. First point: cache is divided into blocks called cache lines. Second point: each cache line stores data and its corresponding tag. Third point: tag field is used to identify whether required data is present in cache. Fourth point: cache controller manages data movement between cache and main memory. Side heading: mapping techniques. First point: direct mapping assigns each main memory block to a specific cache line. Second point: fully associative mapping allows a block to be placed in any cache line. Third point: set associative mapping divides cache into sets and allows flexible placement within a set. Side heading: cache reads. First point: when CPU requests data, cache is first checked for the required data. Second point: if data is found, it is called a cache hit and data is sent to CPU. Third point: if data is not found, it is called a cache miss and data is fetched from main memory. Fourth point: the fetched data is stored in cache for future use. Side heading: cache writes. First point: cache write operations handle updates to data in cache and main memory. Second point: write-through policy updates both cache and main memory simultaneously. Third point: write-back policy updates only cache and main memory is updated later. Fourth point: write allocate loads block into cache on a write miss. Fifth point: no write allocate directly writes to main memory without loading into cache. Side heading: advantages of cache memory. First point: reduces average memory access time. Second point: improves CPU performance. Third point: reduces traffic between CPU and main memory. Side heading: disadvantages of cache memory. First point: expensive compared to main memory. Second point: limited storage capacity. Third point: complex management and design.